In this video, I will show you how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel. To do this, first just go to the GoHighLevel sub-account that you would like to connect Zoom to. After doing that, click Settings in the bottom left. And from here, if you have a section that says My Profile, then go and click My Profile. But for me, as you can see, it's not here. So what you then want to do is click My Staff. And then in the My Staff section, click Add Employee. And then here, add an employee for yourself. So enter your own first and last name and an email address that you have access to. And then after doing that, click Save, and then you will get an email on that email address that invites you onto GoHighLevel. So go and accept, and then after you do that, you will need to set a password for that account, so just do that, and then it will redirect you again to GoHighLevel. Once you are in GoHighLevel, in the top right, click on your initials, and then click Login As. Now here, login as the user that you have just set up. So for me, I have this one, and then once you are logged in as that user, at the top, you should see something that says logged in as, and then the email address and name of that user, which you can see right here, logged in as the user. Then go to settings in the bottom left. From here, you should now see my profile under my business. So click my profile, and then here scroll down a little bit. And then here under calendar settings, you can click video conferencing and then click add new. Now under video conferencing, you have Zoom right here. So connect Zoom to generate a unique meeting link each time. If you would like to do that, click connect right there. And then it will redirect you to Zoom. Here just go to sign in to Zoom. And then here you need to give Zoom access to some permissions. So then you can allow this app to use my shared access permissions and then click allow. And then from here it's now connected to Zoom. As you can see, success, Zoom account connected. And under calendar settings, you now have Zoom right there. So that's how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel. Now, if you would like to get access to an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days, then you can go and sign up through the link down in the description. And as you can see, then you can just get a 30-day extended free trial. So that's how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.